What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Aquatica Orlando, and it is our first update for Ray Rush, which is a new water slide coming here in the spring of 2018. We're going to walk around inside and around the construction site to see what's here. Let's go! One of the first things that I see after entering the park is they have updated the maps. We have Ray Rush right up there. Construction walls now line a good portion of the area, as we can see some there and extending on down the pathway over here. More walls, but now we have some concept art. Let's check that out. A little bit closer look, and we can see Ray Rush opening spring 2018. This looks like a really unique design. In fact, it combines like 3 different slides into one. Oh yeah, check this out. Ray Rush has gone vertical with some of the first pieces of steel now in the air. Ah, yes. Remember when this was getting renovated? We covered that. Signage has been removed from the old Hooroo Run. A couple footings still need supports here. And of course up here in the station area, it is all boarded off where Hooroo Run was. The Walhalla Way is still here. Just no water, of course. They're doing construction. There wasn't too much more inside the park that we could see for Ray Rush, so we went outside, and here is the storage lot for all the pieces. Well guys, that is going to do it for our construction update here from Aquatica Orlando for Ray Rush. Again, this is going to be opening up in the spring of this year, and vertical construction has started. Very soon we're going to have some slide pieces going onto this structure. I'm excited for you guys. We're going to have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.